All right, guys, this is the 23rd hired request on the 2018 list. Country song, Reba McEntire, Do Right By Me. I think it was also a Canadian song first, and then Reba redid it. Well, we have a lot of country style type licks in here. Let's take a listen. There's the singing right there. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek and welcome to my Easy Piano Lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All of the lessons for this will be on my website. I don't have it written as I usually do. webpianoteacher.com, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all your phones, tablets, computers. Something on there for everyone. Thousands of lessons on there. Really a lifetime of music to learn for you guys. But anyway, this is, if you listen to the recording of Reba doing it, the album version, there's not really any piano in it, just guitar and steel guitars and so forth. And so we're making it a piano song, which is not too hard to do really. You just have to know a couple of things. So I'm going to start out. All right, so we're going to start low. I think I started higher when I first started it, which is okay, but I like it lower first. That's what I meant to do. The left hand, whenever you see a letter there, all you're going to do is play an octave in the fifth. So when you see a C, you'll have C octave in the fifth in the middle of the G. When you have F, you'll have F, C, F. You just mark time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Doesn't really matter what you play as long as you're on those notes. Okay? On the right hand, we're going to start with a little like this. G to D, or G and D together to E. Flip to the E. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So then I play a G with my 2 finger, and then G and C with 2 and 5. A little country third, I call it. And many other people started calling it that after I did. But G and C, 2 and 5, to A with a 3rd finger. All right, so 1, 2, 3. As you're holding that C, A, you go to F on the left hand. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2. 5th finger on the C, way up high. And then G and C again with 2 and 5, and then flip to A. And then G. And then D and G with 2 and 5 to E to G. Da, 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 da. These are just little licks I'm coming up with to put in the song to make it work as a piano song, a piano-driven song instead of a guitar-driven song. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now, a lot of the little licks the guitars do, I can put in here like that one. Kind of follow what the guitar does there. And then sometimes I just come up with a completely new one for piano, but not a new one. They've all been done. But G, C, E now. Left hand on the C, of course. 1, 2. Well, no, up here. So G, C, E up there. 1, 2. So that's a little kind of country thing, is to roll the chord down like that. So G, E, C, G, rolling it down. A, C, and then G and C together. Flip to A. Then left hand goes to F while you're holding that A and C. 1, 2. Steel guitar's doing that, so we're going to copy that. D and G together. D, E, D, C, G, F. And their singing starts there, okay? So again, that intro is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. There we are. Now I'm going to play it super slow one time, so you can hear that if you need to hear it slow. And go. 1, 2, 3. Difficult to play it slow for me. But you make sure you know where the rhythms are if you do that. You really get to know the piece if you can play it slowly correctly. Okay, guys. 1, and we shall finish it on the website. Talk to you later.